Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video will be all about my Glam Tablescape. I'm going to give you a little bit of a dining room tour so I can show you a few of my Glam pieces, but overall I will be incorporating some of the items that I showed you in the previous video into my Tablescape. Guys, this is pretty much my my dining room. As you can see, I add those cascade wall sconces on my wall over there. I know that one is a little crooked. Right, that one is crooked, but I'm gonna fix that, so don't worry about that one. But overall, this is my dining room, and those are my little babies over there. So let's jump into this Tablescape. If you guys are interested to know, my dining table dimension is about 54 inches. I couldn't fit a 60-inch because it would overwhelm my dining room area. So I decided to go with this size instead, and I believe I got these chairs from Wayfair. They're available on their website and they're always on sale. So now I'm wrapping up my Tablescape and about to create this nice ambience and mood. I'm gonna light the candles and you're gonna now see the final look of my Tablescape. So guys, this is the final look of my Tablescape. I decided to double layer the napkins. This is gray and this is white. I got this napkin ring as well as the napkins itself off Amazon, and these are Walmart branded plates. Nothing, you know, too expensive. And here are the Z Gallery mats that you saw from my other video. I got these gorgeous wine glasses from Crate & Barrel, and I got this silver rim wine glasses from Marshall's or Home Goods. I don't remember. I'm sure you already seen my Crate & Barrel vases, and this is pretty much the Gallery's glittered tree. I don't know if I should take the battery piece off because I like the lighted part of it. And that is my Bella beaded candle. Remember my DIY project? Here's the candle along with my beautiful candle holder. But isn't it pretty? It's so sparkly. I think I did a pretty good job. Thank you very much. But this is pretty much my Tablescape. And there's the glittered paper. It kind of give it like a hologram effect. It's gorgeous. I love it. But isn't it beautiful? Let me turn this the other way. But I just love this. This is gorgeous. A piece of that came off. I don't know how that happened. But I'm pretty much in love with this setting. I don't know what's wrong with my voice. But this is how I basically entertain for the holidays. And even if you want to have like a little romantic dinner, this is perfect. I think this setup is perfect for a nice romantic candle dinner, date night type, you know, type mood. But you guys tell me what you think. Do you think this is an awesome Glam Tablescape? I think it is. It's just nice and pretty. I love it. Oh, let me turn off the lights. Let me show you in the dark. And this is pretty much the Tablescape in the dark. It's so romantic. I know I can't sing, but It's just so pretty the way it glows and sparkle. I love sparkle, as you can see. Everything is just sparkly. Da, 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 da. Here's an up-close look of the Cascade wall candle holder. Isn't it awesome? So guys, this is pretty much my tablescape on a budget. Pretty much my Glam tablescape on a budget. I hope you like. Don't forget to like and subscribe and support my channel. But this is pretty much my tablescape. I'm in love with it. It's gorgeous, especially with those so sparkly, those see how sparkly those Cascade candle holders are? It's so sparkly. But this is pretty much it. Tell me if you like. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment below. Check me out on Instagram at designer.mom. And thanks for watching.